Hello, and welcome to our basic session on Ontap update planning. I am Jazz, and we will explore the general steps when considering an Ontap update of your NetApp storage system. The basic steps for upgrading Ontap are the same for hardware or software-based NetApp storage systems. As hardware, we consider every update on every system that runs physically in a data center. So, whenever you have any flavor of FAS, AFF, ASA, or the new AFX controllers physically installed in your data center, the hardware update approach is what you should focus on. As software version, we consider Ontap updates for Cloud Volumes Ontap. Those virtual controllers are designed to run on hyperscaler environments. Also, we consider any flavor of Ontap select to fall into the software category. For today's session, we will focus on the hardware-based systems only. That being said, when considering an Ontap upgrade, you have several options. To ensure optimal performance and seamless operations, make sure you update using the NetApp console or via the System Manager graphical user interface. Those provide a user-friendly experience and straightforward navigation for all your update needs. If you are looking for assistance with your Ontap upgrade, don't hesitate to reach out to NetApp's professional services team. They will ensure that your transition is smooth and successful, addressing any questions or concerns you may have along the way. The first step in upgrading is identifying your current Ontap version. It's crucial to know where you are starting from before making any changes. This can be done using either Ontap Digital Advisor, the NetApp console, System Manager, or via CLI command. Each of these tools offers a unique way to access your version details, ensuring that you're fully informed and ready to proceed with the upgrade process. Next, let's visit the Upgrade Advisor tool on Digital Advisor to find possible update options. Now, within Digital Advisor, go to Upgrade Advisor to verify your upgrade path by identifying both your old and new Ontap versions. When you are checking on the Risk Advisor Risk Summary, you will notice that it provides a detailed overview of the current risks associated with your system. This summary allows you to see how these present risks compare to the potential risks that are projected after you proceed with the update to a certain release. The comparison helps in understanding the effectiveness of the update and its impact on the system's risk profile. Run pre-upgrade checks early to identify and avoid any update issues that might occur during the process. Take the time to thoroughly examine all the components involved in the upgrade. Make sure that compatibility is ensured between the new update and your current system configuration. Choose the release option that aligns with your needs and preferences. Once you've made your choice, an upgrade plan tailored specifically for you will be generated. This personalized plan will be sent directly to your email in a convenient PDF format, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. To begin, you will need to download your designated Ontap version. Access the NetApp support site by going to mysupport.netapp.com. Once there, navigate through downloads to find the correct sections for the desired Ontap version. Once the version is selected, check on the Must Read section as well as the license agreement. After checking both boxes, you can start the software download. The support site also links to the very important interoperability matrix tool that is crucial for checking compatibility for your front-end services connected to the NetApp storage controllers. This tool is essential for maintaining smooth operations as it ensures that the various components you're working with are all properly aligned and functioning as intended. By utilizing this tool, you can avoid potential disruptions due to missing compatibility between vendors and software versions, and ensure that your environment is always running at its optimal performance. But what are the steps to actually run a NetApp upgrade? Well, first, upload your new Ontap image onto the NetApp storage controller. For this, use the NetApp console or System Manager user interface. With NetApp console, navigate on the left-hand pane to Health, and feel free to use the new Software Updates option, which will guide you through the update process. For this video, we will use the System Manager option within NetApp console to go forward. Within System Manager, choose Cluster and Overview, then click on the Update button to upload your new Ontap version. Now, click on Add Image. With this, a pop-up will ask for the file location of your new Ontap release. Note, Currently, via NetApp console, there is no possibility to load the image from your local client machine. You need to specify a FTP or web server to fetch the image. To upload the image locally with a file explorer, use the local Ontap system manager for the Ontap image upload. Once your new Ontap image is uploaded to the cluster, it can be selected. Now click on Validate to have the necessary pre-update checks run against your NetApp system. The validation might return warning messages as shown here. Ensure you understand these warnings and confirm they won't affect your installation. You can initiate the update by clicking Upgrade with Warnings. One more thing. If the validation finds any errors during the check, the Ontap update will be blocked until those errors are resolved. Ontap will initiate the update of your cluster automatically once you kicked it off. Monitoring is possible using the NetApp console or system manager. In some scenarios, additional manual steps are necessary to fully update your cluster components. For instance, you might need to check on your cluster switch firmware or RCF files to meet your new Ontap version. For most component updates, including disk drives, disk shelves, or the disk qualification package, BMC or SP updates, there is the Add Firmware Files option to have the files conveniently uploaded to your NetApp cluster. However, most of these manual extra steps can be avoided by enabling the automatic firmware update feature available since Ontap 9.10.1 and later. You can find this under Cluster and Settings. With this feature being enabled, there is no need to worry about most component updates, making your life easier as Ontap will take care of firmware updates by itself. Thank you for joining our Ontap upgrade planning session. We hope this guide helps you navigate the Ontap upgrade process smoothly, ensuring your systems are up to date and optimized for performance and availability. Also, please consider visiting Upgrade Advisor within NetApp Digital Advisor and feel free to check out the NetApp documentation pages for further information. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.